Hi everyone, my name's John and I'd like to introduce you to the beginner's template for Bubble. Bubble is an amazing tool for building web apps without code. But if you're new to Bubble and want to get the most out of it, you have to get over a small learning curve. So to help you learn Bubble faster and start bringing those ideas you have to life, I've put together the beginner's template. The beginner's template is a collection of common pages you might find in an app, and each page has full documentation, a tutorial video, and notes to help you learn how that page works. Templates can be overwhelming at first, so I've broken this one down to make it really easy to learn. If you're on YouTube, you can find a link to the template below. If you're on the template homepage, you can get started by looking at the app pages below. I plan on adding pages to the template regularly, so it's the gift that keeps on giving. If you have any requests or questions, please let me know. So thank you and good luck.